Email marketing for small business owners. Who hasn't been the victim of targeted email marketing, where someone has sold your email address and all of a sudden you're the lucky recipient of things like, try this little blue pill or use this credit card. You can't live without it. As a small business owner, you certainly don't want to fall into the same category as these unwanted messages do. That category is spam. On the other hand, you can run an effective email marketing campaign that your customers will actually enjoy. Let's take a look at what a good email marketing campaign is and why it works so well for businesses of every size. What is an email marketing campaign? Well, an email marketing campaign is a method for telling customers or potential clients about a product, service, or combination of the two that you have. It's a good way to give them insight about what's going on with your business, and it's a great way to build a good working relationship with them. This is particularly true if you have a consumable product or service. The fact is, people have a lot on their minds, and they're constantly barraged with a whole host of messages from every direction. Failing to communicate with your customers puts you at risk of being forgotten. So, how does email marketing work? Well, it is possible for a business owner to send out little reminders to a group of customers on a regular basis. Doing it the old-fashioned way is not the best use of your valuable time. Here's the best way to do it. Number 1. Come up with a message or set of messages. You might run regular sales or service specials or want to promote a lunch or dinner special for your restaurant on a regular basis. Number 2, remember, talk to the people like they're your friends because in the end, they are. Customers can make or break your business and you want them to love you. Make your message friendly. Number 3, take advantage of an email autoresponder. Load your email contacts into the autoresponder and get your message to your customers. Just like every other aspect of online marketing for small businesses, using email marketing and autoresponders is something that requires a certain amount of finesse. Get together with your online marketing specialist and create a specialized plan that will work wonders for your business. Thank you, and please contact us for more information.